Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by taking online surveys. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for a way to make some extra money from home? Taking online surveys is a great option, but with so many companies offering surveys, it can be hard to know which ones are legitimate and which ones are a waste of time. In this video, we'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to make money by taking surveys and share our top picks for the best surveys that pay cash. First, let's talk about what online surveys are. Surveys are a great way to make money from home by sharing your opinion on products and services. You can make anywhere from a few dollars to several $100s per survey. Surveys are conducted by market research companies on behalf of businesses that want to improve their products and services. You sign up to take the survey, answer the questions, and then you will usually be compensated with cash or gift cards. Some surveys may also offer entry into sweepstakes for larger prizes. The amount of money you can earn from surveys depends on a number of factors, including the length of the survey and the number of questions asked. Most surveys range from 50 cents to $5, with longer or more detailed surveys paying more. Now, let's talk about the best survey websites for making money. Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, and Swagbucks are three popular online survey sites that offer cash or gift card rewards. To make the most money from online surveys, we recommend signing up for as many reputable sites as possible. Being honest when taking surveys, and taking surveys at times when you have a high concentration level. It's important to be aware of survey scams. Legitimate companies will never ask you to pay to join and will never promise unrealistic amounts of money for taking a survey. Never provide your personal information on any site unless you are sure it is a legitimate company. There you have it, a complete guide on how to make money by taking online surveys. Remember to sign up for as many reputable sites as possible, and to be honest when taking surveys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.